Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, just a quick video to keep you updated that Microsoft now is starting to roll out a couple of improvements and new features to the Bing Chat, which they've started rolling out over the last day or so. So, I thought I'd just post this quick video to keep you updated if you are using the Microsoft Bing chatbot. Now, the first is Microsoft says they have now started to officially roll out visual search in Bing Chat, which is now rolling out on desktop and mobile. And yet to the right of the chat field, you'll see a new icon called Add an Image. And if you click on that, you have three options available currently to add an image. The first is you can paste an image URL. You can upload an image from your device, and you can obviously then take a photo. And what Microsoft says about this new visual search is that Bing now, according to Microsoft, can understand the context of an image and then interpret it and answer questions about that image. Now, just to demonstrate, I'm going to upload an image from my device. And I'm going to ask the chatbot, tell me about this image. And that's going to take a second or two to respond. And something to take note of, it says, privacy blur hides faces from Bing Chat. So just take note of that. And while that's generating, I actually did post on this a couple of days ago when it was still being A/B tested. And now, as mentioned, it is rolling out to the general public officially, according to Microsoft. And here we can see that there is a couple of issues apparently. And it's not giving me the desired results. It says, I'm not sure which image you are referring to and whatever. So you can see that it's a little bit confused and it's not really giving me any details pertaining to that image. And I have been reviewing a couple of reports prior to posting this video. And there is a couple of issues, and the chatbot, according to reports, and as you can see in my example, isn't working as expected just yet. So hopefully over the next couple of days, this will stabilize and actually start working as expected, because obviously Microsoft has now started rolling out visual search officially, which they say, as mentioned, is rolling out on desktop and mobile. But anyway, just letting you know about this new feature. And as mentioned, you can add an image by clicking on the icon to the right of that chat and response field. And then the next is that Microsoft is rolling out Bing Chat Enterprise now. So obviously this is now affecting more your enterprise and your corporations. And what Microsoft basically did with this is they announced this at the Inspire event recently. And now obviously this is according to that announcement. And what this does at the end of the day, according to Microsoft, and I'm quoting from the announcement, they say Bing Chat Enterprise is available via bing.com chat and the Microsoft Edge sidebar. So it's not only available over at bing.com chat, but it will also be available for enterprise in the actual sidebar of the Edge web browser. And Microsoft says this is at no additional cost for customers who are licensed for Microsoft 365 E3, E5, Business Standard and Business Premium. So obviously you've got to be signed up and subscribed to one of those plans. So this isn't rolling out obviously for home users, but for enterprise, Bing Chat Enterprise. And then something else just to take note of. If you do find yourself in the enterprise category, Microsoft says, as we can see here from the screenshots provided from that announcement, it says your personal and company data are protected in this chat. And there is actually a protected tag there we can see to the top right. And what this is all about is that Microsoft says that Bing Chat Enterprise doesn't save any data, and data put into it is not used to train the tool's AI model. So that's what Microsoft says, and just take note of that you are protected for your personal privacy and your company's privacy according to Microsoft. So nonetheless, as mentioned, Bing Chat Enterprise now available, and also the Bing Search rolling out. But as mentioned, Bing Search, although it is an official feature now, does seem to have a couple of bugs and issues. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.